Hello guys, this is a government surveyor syllabus from physics part ದಿಂದ 20 questions ಬರ್ತಾವ. So KPSC ಇಂದ surveyor exam ದು physics syllabus. So one by one discussion ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. First, electricity ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವ ಹಾಗೆ electricity means rate of flow of electric charge. Okay, electricity na several units idava adana alati madlikke. First one, watt is the measure of electric power. Next one, kilowatt. Kilowatt means 1 kilowatt equal to 1000 watts. Megawatt, 1 megawatt equal to 1 lakh watts. So this is important. Watt hour means measure the electrical energy consumption. Watt hour andre ಏನು ಇದನ್ನ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್. ಕಿಲೋವ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1 kilowatt equal to 1000 watt hours. 1 kilowatt equal to 1000 watt hours. Ampere is the electric current. SI unit of electric current. Current the SI unit ampere. Voltage is the SI unit of potential difference, the SI unit voltage. Resistance, the SI unit ohm. Resistance, the SI unit ohm. This ohm symbol, this is a symbol of ohm. Okay. Electric power. What is the definition? Electric power, electric power is the rate at which electrical energy is transferred or used. Andre it measures how quickly electrical energy is converted into other forms of energy, other forms of energy like light or heat. Electric power means is the measure of quickly electrical energy is converted into other forms of energy. Electric power is typically measured electrical power na watt olaga alti measurement ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. That is the unit of electric power. 1 watt equal to 1 joule of energy. 1 watt equal to 1 joule of energy per second. The electrical power one of the electrical power formula, P equal to V into I, where P is a power, V is a potential difference, and I is the electric current. The formula states that the formula P equal to V into I states that the electric power is equal to the product of voltage and current I. Other forms of electrical formula, P equal to V square by R, and also P equal to, and another formula, P equal to I square by R, where R is the resistance and I is the current. Effect of electric current. Effect of electric current: heating effect, magnetic effect, and chemical effect. Heating effect is important for examination point of view. Heating effect andre the heating effect of electric current occurs when an electrical current flows through the conductor. The resistance converts electrical energy into heat. Andre electric current conductor olaga pass adaga conductor resistance electrical energy iddu heat ಆಗಿ convert ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. So this is a heating effect. This effect described by Joule. Heating effect described by the Joule. What he says, Joule? The heat produced Q is proportional to the square of the current. Is proportional to the square of the current and resistance and time t. Joule says that the Joule's law states that heat produced Q is proportional to the square of the current, resistance and resistance of the conductor and time. So next one, electric fuse. Electric fuse is a safety device. Electric fuse is a safety device that protects the electrical circuit from excessive current flow, which can use the damage of arms. Electrical fuse is a safety device. ಇದೊಂದು ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಉಪಕರಣ that ಇದು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸಿವ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸಿವ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟನ್ನು ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡಲಾರ್ದಂಗೆ ಇದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. It is designed to melt. And break the circuit when current exceeds a certain threshold, interrupting the power supply, preventing them. So ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಯಾವ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ, the fuse are typically made of metal alloy such as copper, silver, which has a low melting point. But ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇದರಿಂದ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಅಲಾಯ್ ಸಚ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಾಪರ್, ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಅದರಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಲೋ ಮೆಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. The working when current exceeds through a fuse rating, the metal strips melts and breaking the circuit, interrupting the power supply. So this is important. Well, next, different types of fuses are there. Quadrille fuse, blade fuse, ceramic fuse, fuse links. These are the types of fuses. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳು. ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, fuse are used in various electrical systems including household wiring, industrial power distribution, electronic devices. Next, electric bulb. Electric bulb is commonly known as incandescent light bulb. It is a device that idondu upakarana that converts electrical energy into light. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ it consists of glass envelope containing a filament, usually tungsten use ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, and an inert gas or a vacuum. When electrical current passes through the filament, it heats up and emits a light. ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಿಲಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೋಗ, that heats up and emits a light. Types of electric bulbs: incandescent light, halogen, fluorescent, LED. These are the types of lights. So brief ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel